Hi everyone! Welcome to Handmade Cars channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I made Dodge Challenger myself. I've made this legend from sculptural plasticine and from usual colored one. To make it easier to make this car, I was examining their original one in the game Forza Horizon 4. I also always use games like this one to create plasticine cars. The detailing of the car is quite good. I detailed the entire space of the cabin. I also highlighted the bottom of the car. And of course, I made an engine with a capacity of 707 HP. I made this Dodge in order to crash it. Since it's plasticine, it can easily be deformed. You can take it and break it in your hands. I'll try to repeat a fragment from the movie Final Destination 2, where there was an accident with logs. Instead of logs, I'm gonna use pencils, which I already attached to the remote control car. It should turn out to be very unusual and interesting. Perfect! It turned out just as it was intended. The Dodge got very severe damage. The front part was torn. The hood flew off, the side fenders crumpled quite realistically. There are small bends on the body of the car. The back part also bent realistically. It came out really well. Now, let's crash it into the back part. Wow, I'm stunned. This is the most severe damage I've ever done to my cars. The car was so crashed as if it had been blown up. Everything was lying around. Some parts flew off. The rear bumper is barely holding. Yeah, to use these pencils, that's harsh. It's nearly impossible to recognize the Dodge. The roof was blown away. Now I'll try to put it all together and crash into the driver's door. This is the driver's door. A few pencils almost pierced it. And now this is the car itself. All places that have been exposed to the collision have already come unstuck and the parts got scattered. Let's hit the front part again. Well, it's so crashed, kind of minced meat. Poor Dodge is utterly destroyed. And now, when the car has been already crashed, I'll show you how I made this car from plasticine step by step. That's actually it. I hope you liked this video, and it was interesting to you to watch how I was breaking a handmade car, a copy of the Dodge Challenger. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I have a lot of similar videos for you, so if you liked it, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. The quality of the cars will be getting better. I'll do my best. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!